podcast, and today we're all a brand new video. Today I'm going to be reviewing and sound testing the new Harman Kardon Logic 7 on the BMW F30 335i. So if you are not familiar with the Harman Kardon sound system, it is the premium sound system which you pay extra money to get on these BMWs. They sound amazing and you do get much more features. So let's get in with the video. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So something cool that the Harman Kardon Logic 7 sound system has is its equalizer, its surround sound. As you can see, this is something that not all BMWs have. The standard sound system does not have this feature. You can adjust each hertz of a bass and treble to how much treble or bass you want, which is pretty cool. So while we're listening to these bass boosted songs and also some normal songs, you will see the difference that these equalizers make. So the first song we will be playing is this song over here. It is by Trap Night. I will be using a binaural audio microphone so you can get the best audio experience. So that was extremely good quality. The bass was sharp. It was like just vibrating everything, the windows of the houses and everything. This is very good quality bass. Like, this is extremely good quality bass, and these speakers will not blow. This is one of the only cars that you do not need a subwoofer in the boot. This is mind-blowingly good quality sound system. So now we are going to play another song. So the next song I'm going to be playing is this song. It is by The Music You Need. So let's play.
rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. Let me boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. If you quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were watching, I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch. And my business is humongous, you would think that happened to now. Damn man, I'm all that, yeah, I'm all that. Looking for that whip, yeah, that what you call that. Blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. And I came in the game like whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, they saying I'm the man. Facts, bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing, yo. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Damn. This sound system is absolutely incredible. It is 100% worth it. So this is how the sound system works. So as you can see, you are sitting under a huge subwoofer. So there are two huge subwoofers underneath the front seats. Then you do get your one over there and another one over there with your Harman Kardon text. Then you do get your speaker on the dashboard. And then let's move on to the back. So then you do get your premium audio tweeter up there and another speaker there. And then you do get your speakers over there. Those are also some subwoofers. So you have 4 subwoofers in this car. So if I say to this far video, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, remember to smash subscribe button, like button, and turn on notifications. As you can see, this sound system is a very good quality sound system. I say it's 100% worth it if you have that kind of money to spend on a sound system. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day as always. Goodbye.